Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta in cooker, easy method. Add 1 pound pasta and 4 cups water to the cooker, secure the lid, seal the valve, and set high pressure for 5 minutes. Quickly release pressure or use natural release for preferred firmness. Drain if needed and toss with sauce, olive oil, salt, and fresh herbs. Serve warm and enjoy a simple, hands-off meal made in minutes. Start by measuring ingredients and prepping any garnish like basil or grated cheese. Add pasta and 4 cups water, ensuring pasta is submerged for even cooking. Season with salt and a little olive oil to reduce foaming. Close the lid, set the cooker to high pressure, and start the timer for 5 minutes. Finish with a quick or natural release based on your desired bite, then plate and enjoy. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can share more simple cooker recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps kitchens tidy with minimal effort. It's a fun way to spend less time cleaning and more time tasting your meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Stir the pasta once to separate strands, then lock the lid and set high pressure for 5 minutes for most shapes. If you prefer firmer pasta, use quick release. For softer texture, allow a natural release for a few minutes. Save about 1 cup of the starchy cooking water to thin or bind your sauce. Finish by tossing pasta with sauce and herbs, taste, adjust seasoning, and serve warm to your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.